Hey there, I'm Jenn with Licata Group, and I'm here with Sherrie and Mike at Summit Mortgage.
Hi, everybody.
I hope everybody is having a good day and are not freezing like we all are. A little bit cold in the office today, but we're here to just talk to you guys for a few minutes and give you guys an update.
All right, so let's just go ahead and let's just deal with the elephant in the room. Everyone is talking about rates. So, Mike, what are you really seeing that's happening with rates? Give us some insight.
Hello, how are we doing? Every day is a good day.
Yay.
Last few weeks, the rate's been going up like crazy, like over 7%, without any points to buy down. Now, this week, last 2 days, the rates went below 7. We're like 6.6 to 6.3.
Good news. I like good news.
I like that it's gone down a little bit.
Yeah, due to there's some good, movements in the mortgage bond market. People are buying more due to stock price falling down.
Okay.
And today also, UN came out and told all the federal bank and central banks in Europe to stop raising rates.
Really? The UN's gotten involved now?
They are.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're afraid.
That's awesome.
They're afraid of the global recession that's going to come if they keep raising interest rates.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So Central Bank of Australia this morning supposed to raise 0.5 point this morning, 0.5%, but they only raised 0.25% on their rate.
Good news.
The Fed still, U.S. Federal, U.S. Fed, Reserve still has the highest interest rate in this economy compared to European and other central banks.
Wow.
But U.S. is more richer country than European. So there's a reason why we're highest. But we also set the trends for the global economy as well.
Okay.
So whatever they're doing, they're trying to yield the inflation to recession, but they're afraid that raising too much interest rates is going to make the recession worse.
Right.
We want a mild recession. We don't want a
Right.
devastating recession.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
So Mike, I know I've heard you talk about it. What are all the different podcasts and shows? And he literally spends hours a day researching this.
yes, I look at the mortgage-backed security bond market daily and read news about the economy and economic news and all those daily. And that's what, separates from a good, branch manager so we can train our loan officers how to read the market, how to float the rate to get clients the best rate possible.
Yes.
That's really good.
Well, and I know that was something that we talked about with our loan officers too. So make sure that you reach out to all of your agents at the Licata Group and talk to them, ask them to set up an appointment with Summit Mortgage so that way we can share with you what is the best a plan for you and being able to invest in a home. So, I know that a lot of people are like, oh no, the rates are so high, but is it still a good time to buy?
I think it's always a good time to buy because what you're doing is you're building equity in your home, in 5-10 years down the line, you'll be able to sell it, take that equity, get into a bigger home or move out of state or, just have money to do things with. So it's never a bad idea to buy a house.
I ran an analytics yesterday. $350,000 house with 5%. 6.5% interest rate. Your mortgage payment is about $2,500, including PMI and everything else. Current rent for the property is $2,400 a month in rent.
Oh,
yes.
Wow.
Okay.
And how much?
8% increase in the next 9 years. Their rent's going to be like $4,000. Well, your mortgage is going to stay the same.
Yeah.
But if you refinance, in the next 2 years, because Freddie and Freddie Mac's expecting the rates to be like 4.5 within 12 to 24 months. You can actually drop your payment by $300. So while the house price is going to go up 5 to 6% every year, so you're going to lose that equity if you wait.
Yeah, it's definitely true. Don't wait. Give us a call. We can help you find a house.
Yes. All right, great. Well, thank you so much for coming here to our Summit office today and letting us share some information with you and to all of your fans out there. And just wanted to do a reminder too, the Licata Group is collecting cereal boxes, right?
Yes, we are. So come drop cereal off at the office and You want to talk about that for a second?
Yeah, sure. So we have a goal this year as part of the Realtors Association to collect $16,000, and this goes directly into the Fredericksburg Area Food Bank. So stop in and see your friends at the Licata group. You can also drop them off here at our office and spread a little joy by providing cereal to families out there in need.
And Licata Group's Halloween party, when is that?
The 29th.
29th,
Yeah.
29th at Wilderness Run Vineyard.
Yep, we're excited
I'll be
about
there.
that.
What time does it start?
I believe it's in the afternoon.
It's either 1 or 2.
Yep, I was gonna say 1 or 2. It's a couple of hours. It's a good time. There's pumpkins. There's costume contest. There's candy in a jar. You guess the number.
And there's wine.
I mean, of course, there's wine. And there's a food truck. So it's a good time. So we'll talk to you guys all soon. Thanks. Bye.
All right, bye.